Here's the easy installation guide for your perfect fit shutters. First, we'll attach our brackets to the window using a credit card as our guide. Slot a bracket into each corner of the gasket seal. Now the brackets are in place, we can install the shutter. Line the cutout in the bottom of the frame with the bottom brackets. Once clipped in, push the top side of the frame into the top brackets. Check the operation of the shutter, and as you can see, the window is still fully operational. And that's the easy installation guide for your perfect fit shutters.